Hi, my name is Clement Yun. I'm from DirectPCB, and his
Al Block with Better Board Buying.
yeah, Al. You'll be going to Asia, right, next month?
Yeah, I'm going to be going out there to look at the different suppliers.
Okay, and to help our customer, right,
Yes.
to improve the relationship between the customer and the factories and how they deal with the vendors.
Yes, and so I'm going to go out there and look to see, to make sure the capabilities that we have are going to, for the different shops, meet the specific needs of our customers.
Great. Is there any preparation that we need to do beforehand, or is there any or you just go there and
I've been doing this for many, many years in my previous job, so
Okay.
I have a good, strong background with Texas Instruments, where we made the PCBs for defense systems, and then I moved over to Flextronics, and that's where I was in charge of the DFM group for all the new products. And so there we looked at how to make it more robust,
Okay.
and so that's what I'm bringing to try to help our customers here now with DirectPCB, because I want to be able to help them get a more robust assembly and make it where their boards are cheaper to be designed and made.
Wonderful.
And so that's the one thing that I'm trying to help with our customers.
Wonderful, wonderful. So I think it's a good idea that we are here at APEX and we take a first look at what's in the United States right now, and then we go into the Asia, right?
Yeah, it's nice to see all the equipment they're coming out with. And what's really nice with Asia is they've always got the latest equipment, and they're able to do, when the new technologies come out that you want to incorporate into your design, they have the right robust systems to be able to execute this and make high quality design PCBs.
Okay. If there's one thing that when you look at a vendor in China or different countries, in Thailand, for example, what's the one thing you look at the most?
I wouldn't say I look at the one thing the most. I look at the total, the total systems that they have in there, because it's not just the machinery. You got to see if the people are well trained. You need to see if the engineers really understand their processes to control them, because people are designing the latest and greatest thing that they're incorporating with the new parts. And so, it's constantly evolving, so they have to adjust quickly to be able to do this, but still make it in a quality database, a quality system.
Wonderful. I look forward to working with you and accompanying you going into Asia, to China, to Thailand, or to different countries to visit our vendors.
Yes.
All right. Thank you. And if you have any question or any things that you have with your production, look us up from DirectPCB or from Better Board Buying Al. All right? Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll see you next time.